Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about we need to find two numbers given that the sum of them equals to number 9 and the product of them equals to negative 36. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about Vieta's theorem. He is about the sum of them. He is about the product of them. So we know that the sum is positive number 9. That means when we choose about A equals to number 1, B we need to choose about negative number 9 because negative number 9 divided by 1 with negative in here, you got positive number 9. About this one, we know the product is about negative 36, but A equals to number 1, so C equals to negative 36. And now we put A, B, C gone here. And now we need to find the solutions of S. And we have S equals to number 12, S equals to negative number 3. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.